guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating this red lipstick makeup look, and yeah, if you want to know more about the products and the details of this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion and applying with my fingers all over my face. This moisturizer has a gentle formula and it also helps to rehydrate your skin. In the next step, I'm using this Maybelline Master Primer. It helps to blur out your fine lines and also smooths pores. And yeah, this is a silicone based primer, and it's also very useful for oily skin. For foundation, I'm going for Huda Beauty and L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I mix these two foundation and apply it with this flat brush all over the face. And yeah, this brush gives the coverage and this helps to get the smooth airbrushed finish. And with this round foundation brush, I dab on the product, and the one tip that I want to give you guys is that don't drag the brush, as it can give you uneven coverage. For concealer, I'm going on with this NARS concealer and applying it under my eyes. This concealer is very creamy and has that blendable texture. It gives medium to full coverage, and the shade that I'm using is custard. For eyeshadow, I'm going on with this BH Naughty palette and using the lighter shade and applying it on my eyes with this small brush. I'm taking this a lighter brown shade as a transition shade and applying it on the outer area of my eyelids. Then with this dark brown shade, I apply it on the crease of my eyelids and blend it with a light hand. Then I take this golden shimmer shade and apply it with my finger on the front of my eyes. And with this Sonata eyeliner, I draw the line in the outer area of my eyes and gradually move in the front. For blush, I'm going on with this Juvia's blush palette and I applied the blush on the apples of my cheeks. Then with this kimchi bronzer, I apply it on the cheeks, on the jawline and a bit on my forehead. For setting powder, I'm going on with this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder and applying it on the T-zones of my face where I get oily most of the time. I'm using this Golden Rose eyebrow pencil and I start from the edge of the eyebrows and gradually move in the front with a light hand, and then just use the spoolie and distribute all over evenly. Then I brush out all my setting powder, and for mascara, I'm going on with this Wonder Beauty mascara and apply it on the upper as well as lower lashes. And with this Maybelline Superstay Long Lasting Lipstick, I apply it on my lips, and the shade name is Exhilarator. And yeah, the lipstick just completes the look and gives that classic glam. This is how the look turned out to be. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be seeing all of you in my next video.